Thomas, how old are you?
4.
And what grade are you in?
Preschool.
Who is your teacher?
Miss Dana, Miss Candace, and Miss Sandy.
And who do you love?
Josh.
You love Josh?
And Kenneth.
Kenneth? Anybody else?
Adalu.
Who?
Adalu.
Adalu?
And Ben.
Bennett. Thomas, what's your favorite thing to do?
Play Star Wars with Josh and Kenneth. And Adalu and Bennett.
And what's your favorite thing to eat?
Sausage.
Sausage. Do you eat a lot of sausage?
Yes.
How often do you eat sausage?
With a fork.
Oh, how you do it with forks? Excellent. You want to sit back up?
Yes.
What's your favorite sport?
Baseball.
Do you play baseball?
No.
You don't? You don't play in the backyard?
I do.
If you could tell Mommy a secret, what would you tell her?
That I ate a fish.
If you could tell Santa Claus a secret, what would you tell him?
Ho, ho, ho.
And if you could tell God a secret, what would you tell him?
I love you.